This is not just an ocean view, but this is your new horizon. Today we are in Pattaya right now, and I will introduce you the 56-story marvel that 100% guarantees of ocean view from every single unit. This is once Wongamat. Stay with us because luxury living just got an upgrade. Developed by the renowned owner group, Once Wongamat is an architectural landmark on a plot of approximately 4 rai or 6,400 square meters in North Pattaya. This single tower soars 56 floors high, featuring 548 exclusive units. It is one of the tallest, most popular residences in the coveted Wongamat Naklea area. The location is incomparable. Naklea Soy 33 in North Pattaya. This is a priceless freehold investment spot. Let's look at the key distances. Wongamat Beach, approximately 200 to 300 meters away. Just a short walk to the most exclusive beach in Pattaya. This beautiful project is located right next to Again Shopping Mall and only 150 meters away to Terminal 21 and Pattaya Beach. Once Wongamat offers so many luxury designed facilities, and you will have up to 40% of parking lots. On the ground floor, you will have beautiful lobbies, 10 elevators, and commercial shops. On the middle floor, 36th floor, 37th floor, you will have swimming pool, like kids pool, game arcade room, fitness center, yoga room, and semi-outdoor garden. And on the top floor, you will have another semi-outdoor garden, infinity pool with the ocean view, private dining room, Pilates studio, co-working space, and the rooftop that you can enjoy the ocean of Pattaya. I will start from one bedroom, 34 square meter first, but before I show you, I will show you this. This is the special function. So you will have the storage in front of your room. It's for like your laundry or like package or something like that. So I think it is good. And this is the room. Once you step inside, you will have the kitchen. You will see the kitchen. You have tons of space for cooking. I like it because like I like the style and is have more space for cooking. Yes. And over here, this is your dining table that can sit up for 4 people. And you have your balcony over there connected to the dining area. Yeah, so when you cook, you can open the windows to let the breeze in. Okay, so when you step a little bit to here, you will have the cozy living room. This is so good. You have space for relaxing, watch your favorite show with your family, and full size of window to enjoy the ocean view. And if you wonder how is one bedroom, here, this is the glass sliding door. Once you close it, so you can have like the separated area like this. Yeah, and if you want to have more space, you just open it. Smart layout, I like it. Your bedroom, and you also have full size of window also to enjoy the view. And come over here, this is your closet that you have enough space to put all your clothes and your stuff. And this is your bedroom. You have your toilet, sink, and shower area. And for someone that don't want too much space but have enough space for relax, this is one large bedroom veranda, 54 square meter. Let's check inside. Wow, so beautiful. Once you step inside, this is your indoor balcony. You have long indoor balcony like this, and if someone want to smoke or if you like windy, you can open this window, so it's gonna be your outdoor balcony basically. Okay, so now let's check out the actual space. Okay, nice. So when you step here, this is your actual space for living. When you come here, this is your area of kitchen. You have enough space for cooking and also beautiful. And this is your bedroom for your guests. You have simple toilet and the small sink like this. So lovely. And this is your dining table. So beautiful. Can sit up to 4 people or 5, I think. Yeah. So perfect for family as well, or if you want to party with your friends. Yeah. And it's connected to living area. So beautiful. You have space for party, enjoy relaxing with yourself, your partner, your family, or your friends. And this is your full size of window. As you can see, you have much open space because every unit has 3 meters of height to ceiling. This is so cool. Let's check out the bedroom. And this is your bedroom area, and you also have glass sliding door to separate between living area and your bedroom. And this is the cool part of this unit. So you have the controller, this side of the glass sliding door like this. I'll show you. So easy. If you want to close it, just press here. Automatically. And if you want to stop, just press the middle one and it will stop. And if you want to open it, just press the open like this. So easy. Technology. Okay, so this is your bed area. Again, you have full size of window to enjoy your ocean view. Yes, and this is your closet, your dressing area, and connected to your private bedroom. You have enough space for shower. This is your shower area. Also big. You have your beautiful sink and smart toilet that when you walk past or okay, so you can control it by this controller. So you can just like press it like this. So it will close, and if you want to open, easy, but normally when you walk past it will open automatically. So this is so cool. So this is one large bedroom unit, 54 square meters. I really like it. It's perfect for living alone or with your partner. Yeah, and I like the tone, the color, and smart layout that they design. Now let's check out 2-bedroom unit. And for someone that's looking for large space for living with your family, this might be the best option. This is 2-bedroom Ocean Pattaya, 90 square meters. Let's check inside. Once you step here, you will have this space for storage your stuff. And when you come to here, you will see the guest bedroom that you will have the smart toilet and lovely small sink over there. Yes. And walk through here, through the hallway, you will see your actual space. You will see your living area, which looks so cozy. And this area is surrounded by the glass window, so you can see the ocean view, which is really good. And when you have, when they have like the festival here, you will see the fireworks from your room. This is so cool. And the highlight part of this unit is you will have your bathtub in your balcony area. Ta-da! So you can enjoy your view, have a glass of wine, and see the fireworks, stars, or whatever. But this is so cool. And let's check this area out. So right next to the living area, this is your dining table that can sit up for 4 or 5 people, so you can have a good family time here. And this is my another favorite area, the kitchen, because I love cooking. And this is so cute. It's like you have a small store in your room, or whenever you cook, you can close the door, glass sliding door like this if you don't want other area to smell like food. Yes, and you also can close this window so it looks like a little store in your house, and you also have enough space for cooking. You have double sink. Yeah. Now let's check out the first bedroom. And just a few steps from the kitchen, this is your first bedroom. So you can turn it as your office, your kids' bedroom, or your guest bedroom when you have guest visit. Yes, and the cool part is also have the private bathroom here. You have enough space for shower, simple toilet, the sink. Now let's check out the master bedroom. I'm so excited. Let's see. Wow, you have a lot of space for relax. You see, you have more space to put your king size bed and also full size of window. So you can see the view when you wake up or before you sleep. And this room also have separated closets, so his and her closet. This is so cool. And let's check out the private bathroom here. And now I'm in the bathroom and it's so beautiful. You have his and her sink and also bathtub right over here. And when you come through here, you will have the smart toilet over here. Oh, sorry. So you see, this is the smart toilet. So whenever you walk past, it will open automatically. And right over here, this is your shower area. So beautiful. And that was 2-bedroom unit, perfect for living with your family, with your friend, your partner. And for this project, every unit has sea view. This is the rarest thing to find in Pattaya right now. And this is once Wongamat. The starting price of this project is only 6.9 million baht. The construction is already started and will be completed in 2029. This project, every unit has sea view. This is the rarest thing to find in Pattaya right now and is located in the prime location of North Pattaya. What do you think about it? If you want more information, you can contact us anytime. Select Sales Center. Thank you so much for watching and see you next one. Bye bye.